I know. I said I was never going to do another Ridge Wallet video, and here I am making another Ridge Wallet video. And I said that before I found out that the Ridge made a leather wallet. Well, sort of. Let's talk about it. Inside of this package, I have both versions of the brand new Ridge Wallet in leather, tobacco brown and midnight black. And I haven't even opened this package yet. I wanted to do that on camera with you guys because this isn't going to be a review. I've done many Ridge Wallet videos. And that's part of the reason why I said I was never going to do another Ridge Wallet video, is because they're basically all the same. Once you have a carbon fiber Ridge Wallet, it's not going to function any different from the titanium Ridge Wallet. And I found myself starting to cover every single material release, and they all function the same. But when I saw that they were coming out with leather versions, this is the midnight black, I just had to make another video on this. Oh yeah, look at that. And that's the tobacco brown leather. And it looks like they have some brand new packaging since the last time I opened a brand new Ridge Wallet. So I'll give you a close up of the tobacco brown box. This one does come with the cash strap, which I prefer over the money clip. And you can see all the features right there in the back. That hasn't changed. They still hold 1 to 12 credit cards. It still has RFID blocking, modular design, and backed by a lifetime warranty. Now, when I mentioned that the Ridge was making a leather wallet, well, sort of, that's because it's still a Ridge wallet with the aluminum inner frame, and the leather is just on the outside. So let me give you guys a nice close-up of this tobacco brown Ridge wallet right here. Man, that's actually pretty nice. So that piece of full grain leather on the front and the back is just screwed into the aluminum inner frame, just like every other Ridge wallet. But this is interesting right here. The cash strap now just has that leather patch right there. If I bring in my favorite Ridge wallet right here, the Forged Ember carbon fiber, you can see that cash strap has that aluminum plate right there. Now it's just a piece of leather. I like it. And before I move on here, let's take out the midnight black version right here. Let's open it up. Typical Ridge wallet swag that they give you. Oh, wow. Check that out. Gorgeous. And I say wow because of that texture on the leather. If I get it in the light, you can see what I'm talking about. Does the tobacco brown version have that same look here? Not really, not as much as this black version right here. That's nice. So there's a card inside. Let me see what the card is. Just a Ridge wallet, just some socials right here, and talking about their design and all that good stuff. But this card isn't what I'm interested in. I was really curious about the leather and how it attached to that metal frame. So like I said, it looks like they just literally screwed a piece of leather right onto that aluminum frame. And it still maintains the same 7 screws on the front and the back. If I bring in the Forged Ember shredded carbon fiber right there, you can see the same 7 screws, front and the back. So it looks like the real difference is instead of having a carbon fiber, titanium, aluminum, or steel or gold outer frame, it's just a piece of leather. And that leather is explained on the back of this box here. It says oil wax full grain leather combines durability with tradition for a higher class everyday carry. So I don't know what kind of leather this is or where it's sourced from. It just says it's full grain oil waxed, which does bug me a little bit. I like full transparency, especially dealing with leather products. I like to know what type of leather it is and where it's sourced from. Because if I know the type of leather, then I know how high quality it really is. At this point, I'm just taking their word for it. But my first impressions are, it feels pretty nice. It's a little bit different holding a leather wallet with a aluminum inner frame like this because it's still basically a metal wallet. It's not like holding a full grain vegetable tan leather wallet in your hand that's just made fully of leather. So overall, it still basically feels like a classic traditional Ridge wallet, which isn't a bad thing. You guys know I am a fan of the Ridge wallet. It was actually my very first wallet review on this channel almost 5 years ago. But guys, I'm actually really digging this. I love this leather patch on the back of the elastic cash strap right here. I like that look. And I know I already showed you, but I'll show you again, the aluminum plate right there on the cash strap. And just for the heck of it, I have the stonewashed titanium Ridge wallet with the money clip. And you can see the differences there. So let's do a quick card test. If you guys want to see what these leather wallets look like with the full maximum 12 card capacity right there, that's it. And of course, it's going to function like any Ridge wallet. I've showed you guys this 1,000 times. Push all of the cards up with your thumb, with the thumb notch, do the fan method. Very nice. 10 American dollar bills. Yes, you have to fold your bills into quarters or thirds with the Ridge wallet, unless you want your bills hanging over the side, but that's what it looks like. The brand new leather Ridge wallet with some cash back there. So I am definitely liking the brand new leather versions of the Ridge wallet here. But do I like it better than my top two Ridge wallets, which I have right here, the Forged Ember carbon fiber or the stonewashed titanium? And I think I have to say no. I still think the Forged Ember is my favorite Ridge wallet to date. And this is still at number 2, the stonewashed titanium, but this could still sit at number 3 or 4 for me. I just need a little bit more time with it. But first impressions are very good. Maybe after this starts to patina a little bit, it might rank a little bit higher, but I still think these two are where it's at. And let's see what else comes in the package here. The classic screwdriver, if you have to take off the screws and replace the elastic, they give you that tiny screwdriver, just some gel. Oh, some additional screws too. And yeah, that's basically it, other than the little sticker here and just some information on the Ridge. And having the leather on the outside doesn't make this a less expensive wallet. They're still asking $125 for each of these wallets. We all know that the Ridge wallet is a pricey wallet, but you're paying for quality and you're paying for that lifetime warranty. And with that, this really might be my last time doing a Ridge wallet video unless they come out with a brand new wallet, something different from this style here. As I said in the beginning, once you have a Ridge wallet, you basically have all of them. The only thing that changes is the material. If you have this carbon fiber wallet, is going to function exactly the same as this leather version and this titanium version. So Ridge, I really hope that you guys start thinking about a new wallet design because that would be awesome. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of the new leather wallets from the Ridge? Now, if you guys want to check these out for yourself, I will have links down below in my description box, and I do have a 10% discount code just for my subs. I don't see a penny of that commission if you guys use that discount code. It's just there to help you guys save a little bit of money. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!